Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 9th, 2026. A cool morning this morning. Low 40s. I think it's like 42 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Supposed to get up into the 50s today, and it looks like the rain's going to miss us. It's going to head south of us. So I might be able to get some work done today. Not feeling 100% today. Yesterday I had my first chiropractor's appointment in probably over 3 decades. Used to go to a chiropractor for years, but then after having a couple of spinal surgeries and all, I just haven't been to a chiropractor in quite a few years, but had some some back issues, not my lower back, my thoracic area by my scapulas, and so I had my first appointment with a new chiropractor, someone who's been practicing for quite some time. Very good person, local, and things went well, but I'm sore today. There's no real adjustments. I mean, she did pop a couple of ribs, or one rib maybe. I'm not sure. I heard just like one pop. But yeah, still very, very locked up in my back, and a lot of prodding around yesterday, so I'm sore. So I don't know how much I will get done today, and being in a bumpy piece of equipment, that really exacerbates it as well. But I'm going to grab Mini Me, and yesterday I went ahead and I deposited some of the wood chips. Bud, our tree service guy, he delivered a couple loads in the last couple days. One load yesterday while I was planting the hazelnuts, and he dropped off a second load, so I said, well, I better get it up so he has room to back up, because the load goes way out to there when he drops them off. And one thing, I thought I'd explain this first when I'm doing this. So when you look at these and you look at the ground level down here, it looks like, boy, I really got the mulched way too high, called volcano mulching. And no, I don't do that. So this is where the root crown is, right here at this level. But there's just been so much erosion over the years before we started developing the soil here on the property. These older trees that were here long before me, they ended up having lots of erosion all around. And now there were all trees throughout this whole area, which made the area sink down some. But I'll show you up over here. My finish work will be with a pitchfork, is what I'll use to smooth out everything, so that I can go over it with a mower and all. But it looks like, boy, I'm really going to mound it up here. But if you can see, the flare, the root crown, is right here. That's where it is. That's the dirt level right there. So we'll just put a thin layer there. And because you don't want to have that moisture held within the wood chips and have that turn into soil and break down the bark of the trunk of the tree, and that leaves it susceptible to various diseases and pests as well. So those 2 loads just got me enough to get around these ones here. Now this tree here I'm going to have to do a lot of work with. I may end up taking the center tree out here, but it's got a lot of dead wood in it. And yeah, and these are all trees that are, you know, well over 50 years, 60 years old. That ash I'm going to have to take down. I don't think it's going to make it. We have the emerald ash boring insect here in the property, so all of our ashes have been pretty much affected. And this is our wood chip pile here, looking at it up close. Some of this is probably, in the base of it, in the back of it, probably 2 years old. And it was still wet over here when I was bringing a big ice chunk. I had a frozen ball of wood chips. So it looks like it's really mounded up there when you look at this tree. But we don't do volcano mulching, but I'm going to try and bring the soil out a little bit better. But you could see I'm just at the flare where the root crown is there. The other day Thea planted a bunch of irises over here. But yeah, I've got some work to do along the living fence here as well, but this ground is still saturated. So I'm going to stay off this until the rainy season is over with. And so what I'm going to do now is go get on Mini-Me with a lamp-plied grapple. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and just waving to Thea. She just hollered at me. She may be, oh, she's going to a plant swap, house plants and all, and picking up one of the girlfriends and all. So anyways, I'm gonna go get on Mini-Me with the lamp-plied grapple and do my initial raking it out using the grapple itself. So we'll see what I do today. I just don't know yet.
Yo, first rule, gotta know what you own. That's your net worth, not your new phone. Assets minus liabilities, that's the math. House plus savings minus debt on the path. Track your money, don't just let it vanish. Every dollar in, every dollar out, manage. Write it down or wrap it, doesn't matter how. Just know your cash flow, that's lesson 1 now. Money comes, money goes, but you decide where it flows. Don't be surprised when the account shows low. Knowledge is power, now let's go. Spend less than you make, that's the golden rule. Save a little something before you play it cool. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months strong. Build that foundation, you'll never go wrong. Budget, give every dollar a name. Track it, stack it, play the long game. Compound interest, your money's best friend. Start it early, watch the magic never end. Debt ain't evil, but bad debt'll bite. High interest credit cards creep up at night. Pay more than minimum, kill that interest fast. Good debt, like a house or school, that can last. Investing 101, don't put it all in one place. Diversify, spread the risk, keep a steady pace. Index funds, ETFs, boring, but they win. Time in the market beats time in the spin. Money comes, money goes, but habits make the pros. Future you is watching, so plant the seeds. Financial freedom, that's what we need. Spend less than you make, that's the golden rule. Save a little something before you play it cool. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months strong. Build that foundation, you'll never go wrong. Budget, give every dollar a name. Track it, stack it, play the long game. Compound interest, your money's best friend. Start it early, watch the magic never end. 50, 30, 20, classic way to split. Needs, wants, savings, don't forget the grit. Pay yourself first before the bills arrive. Future, you's gonna thank you for staying alive. Spend less than you make, yeah, that's the way. Save before you spend every single day. Emergency cash, investments on the rise. Financial literacy, lighting up our lives. Compound interest, yeah, it's patient, it's true. Little seeds you plant grow massive for you. Budget, save, invest, repeat the plan. Welcome to the money game, now you understand. You got this. Track it, save it, grow it. Knowledge is the real flex. Keep going. Imagine there's no more division, just folks from sea to shining sea. No red or blue to tear us apart, one nation under God, you see. Imagine all the people shaking hands and pulling together. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will be one again. Imagine cutting out the waste, no more fraud, stealing from the till. Abuse gone like dust in the wind, honest work for every hill and mill. Imagine all the people living fair and square, no cheating game. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will be great again. Imagine treating one another right, with respect like kinfolk ought to do. Dignity for every soul around, no hating, just me and you. Imagine all the people lending a hand when times are tough. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and America will shine again. Imagine our leaders standing tall, guardians of the folks they serve, doing what's right without a fall, making sure we get what we deserve. Imagine all the people trusting in the red, white, and blue. You may say I'm an old dreamer with dirt on my boots and calloused hands, but I ain't the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. I was raised on gravel roads and worn out gloves. Learned early nothing's free, even grace and love. Split my share of firewood, fixed what I could mend. Watched the seasons teach me how all things been. I didn't have it easy, didn't need it that way. Hard days made sense of the light of day. I'm just a simple country boy, but I figured it out somehow. There's never been a better time than being alive right now. Yeah, it's good to be alive at this moment in time, with dirt on my boots and truth on my mind. I've seen storms knock roofs down, seen neighbors rise again, seen broken ground turn fertile with a little work and faith in men. I don't need much to know just how blessed I am to be alive right now. I've lived through power outages and engines that wouldn't start, through days when the world felt heavy on my heart. But I've also watched machines do what hands once couldn't do, watched ideas travel farther than a fence line ever knew. I've seen old ways meet new life, steel and soil finally working right. From chainsaws to satellites, from seeds to clouds somehow. Tell me when was better than being alive right now. Yeah, it's good to be alive at this moment in time, where sweat still matters and so does a mind. I've seen quiet lives outwork loud men, seen truth stand taller than trends now and then. I don't need much to know just how lucky I am to be alive right now. I've walked through years when I didn't fit the mold, felt too slow, too different, or so I was told. But time has a way of sorting the grain from the chaff, turns the boy who struggled into the man who lasts. Now I see the world clear, no bitterness left, just gratitude earned, not borrowed or kept. I know who I am, and I know how to live right here, alive right now. We got more answers than we've ever had before, but it still comes down to opening the door, to responsibility, to work, to care, to standing your ground and showing up fair. History's watching, whether we choose or not. This is our moment. This is our shot. Yeah, it's damn good to be alive at this moment in time, with calloused hands and a reason to try. I've seen nature remind us who's in control, and human grit turn broken into whole. I don't need much, just here and now. Thank God I'm alive right now. I may be a simple country boy, that part's true, but I know how to live, and I know what's true.